Welcome to the Ultimate Food App. Well, at least that's what we're calling it for now. More on that later. I know what you're thinking. How can they call it the Ultimate Food App? Is it really that good? Perhaps the most appropriate question is, are the other food apps really that good? And if you travel as much as we do, you know the answer. A lot of times, it's outright frustrating to try to find a place to eat. In spite of all our technology and our mobile devices, we haven't progressed that much further than the phone book. Some of the more popular apps are often confusing to use. As software developers, we hate software that's hard to use. Other apps have you gamble on where to eat. You might as well be asking total strangers where to go. And the few apps that try to focus on the food have, let's just say, less desirable coverage. Here's an actual shot from one of the more popular of these apps. This is what I get when I open this app in my neighborhood. Look at that photo. Do you think the owner of that restaurant appreciates that? Well, enough of these bad examples. Let's focus on what we can do about it. Most mobile food apps are designed around searching for restaurants. But wouldn't it make more sense to find the actual menu items that you want? Wouldn't it make more sense to see the actual food? But what makes our app truly different? It's socially driven. Your dish posts, restaurant reviews, and check-ins become part of a vast social collection of the best dishes in your area. We feel that this is a revolutionary idea. Our goal is to give everyone the ability to find whatever food they want wherever they are. When you open our app, the first thing you see is the food near you sorted by relevance, not just the number of likes, but also ranked by review. Doesn't that look good? Tap on something that appeals to you, and you get a closer look with some very useful details. From here, you can locate where to get it and also share your experience. If you're looking for something in particular, we offer various ways to search. As you can see, you get food in your results, not buildings. Just like with food, users can also add and review restaurants, if the restaurant isn't already listed, because each and every restaurant in the world gets a simple free listing. But if they really want to create a decent presence, the restaurants can upgrade. If you happen to run a restaurant, you should know that the price for a listing is incredibly affordable. Let's just say you're probably spending more on coffee, unless of course you're drinking your own. So let's get back to the social aspect of the app, because we've come to realize that the social element is what's missing or not fully realized in the other food apps. Our app lets you add photos that you can post along with the food on whatever social networks you use. All of them with one tap. You can even email them to people who are not on your networks. So how can you get involved with this project? We've decided to make the app a project on the popular crowdfunding site Kickstarter.com. If you're not familiar with crowdfunding, it's a great way to get involved in creating something. So visit us online for more details. We'll be launching on Kickstarter in a few days, but in the meantime, you can follow everything we're doing, take part in some fun activities and contests, plus start getting involved on our website and our blog. Thanks for spending some time to learn a little bit about why this will be the ultimate food app.